Hi, it's Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. We are busy here for the cameras now. We started from the gate, so gate is done. Gate was swinging and now we make it sliding. And electric fencing also we are done. So this is now we busy for the camera wiring. This is the 6 cameras on the outside. So we are doing busy. So total we are putting on this house about 24 cameras, 8 inside the house and 10 for here outside here and 6 completely outside. And this is the gate we make it. This gate was swinging, here was a motor, we remove it, so we put the sliding gate, not the sliding gate, we make this gate for sliding, was swing, was 2 pieces, so we join together, make it 1 piece, put the new motor. And this electric fencing we did repair, add some wires, upgrade it, and now the guys are busy for the CCTV cameras wiring. See all the wiring, we're gonna hang it on the wall, top of the wall. So here is inside, so we're putting 1 camera here, and we're putting also the camera here. It's like a sitting area, they can see also this windows and the doors, and we also gonna do the alarm system. And this is all is our stuff here. See here we are putting the camera there on top. So the wiring we already done. There is a wire is hanging. There is a wire also for here. This is the wire for the camera. We're gonna do all of need of for do all the polyfiller and everything. It's a load shedding, so we're using for this generator. Sure, thanks. I will show you also after complete the job.